now, since last 21-22 years, I have exhibited in almost 75 solo and group shows. I have done 6 to 7 art camps within India. Most of my paintings are in India as well as few European countries, including France. I have exhibited my works in France, Sweden, Maldives, and many parts of India like Delhi, Chennai, Bangalore, Mumbai, etc. And this has been a great experience with my art collectors spread all over the world.
I was a merit student in the government diploma in fine art and also in diploma in art education. Art has been a slow addiction in my life. I pursued art as a passion, but all these 25 years with being academic and professional artist, I have been learning that it has become my life now. I just cannot stay without it. My parents raised me like a strong child, making me stronger day by day with my mind. They used to tell me, whatever I learned in my life, give it the fullest as a student and always be a student for the next few years. Don't go and just get paid for things. And the result will be definitely fruitful. I joined an art institute as an assistant lecturer. I thought that will be the best thing to do. That will be a best profession in my life, as I love teaching, as my parents were in teaching. So I thought that's not a very difficult thing. But later I just could not continue this one job of teaching, and then I left it and remained working on my paintings. But because of that, I could give more time for the painting process. And yes, I love as I love the teaching, I just miss it now. Luckily, people started appreciating my works from the first show itself. Initially, I wanted to start something in the Indian handicrafts and its production, but within less time I was busy in the paintings. I kept painting for years. I made less friends and I could not meet them. The life became boring then. Spending much of the time in my studios, one day I planned to learn something more. I joined the metal repository enameling, and that was a course. I did the basic, then advanced in Mumbai itself. I love to watch the carpenter shops, the garages, the repairing shops, and it attracted me. The jewelry does not attract me much as these tools attract me. Then I set up my own metal studio. So I do my enameling there. This enamel process is very interesting and it is more of addiction. It makes me addictive. It's like you need to just use the powdered glass, fuse it on the metal with the help of a furnace, firing it at a high temperature of around 700 and 800 degrees Celsius. Bit complicated process, but the result is superb. Here the cells are less too, but that's a great satisfaction for me when I see that complete piece. Normally I say painting is my passion, metals and enamels is my addiction. My husband is my first friend. He too is an artist and thus understands and supports me a lot. He knows what I need when. and how an artist should live, or I like to be alone, I like to work alone, I just I just love to wander the world. And he knows this. The subjects in my artworks are not complicated, as I believe that art is a whole mode of entertainment. I believe in selling happiness. If the artist is happy, his art collector spaces definitely becomes happy.